Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a zombie look inspired by one of Felix Laflamme's artworks. Let's get started. This time I start by covering my eyebrows, so I remove any oily trace from my eyebrows and forehead with micellar water. Take some wax with a spatula and spread it on your eyebrow, pressing from bottom to top. Cover the eyebrows with a concealer. You don't need to cover them perfectly, because you'll put aquacolor on it anyway, so don't worry about the coverage. I also cover my dark circles and put some foundation on my forehead and nose to have a more uniform base. I use a black eye pencil to draw the preparatory outline. You don't need to be super precise here, but be very careful of the proportions, because if you make a mistake here, you become a gorilla like I did in my first trial. When you're done, start putting the main colors following the guidelines outlined before. I put electric blue on eyebrows and cheeks to create a three-dimensional effect. This is a cartoonish look, so you can exaggerate with the contrast of colors. I use dark blue to draw shadows under the goo. Use it to give depth to skin as well. Fill the brain part with pink. Then draw teeth with white. Again with white, I highlight the protrusions of the brain and trace over the eye pencil with red eyeshadow. You should be able to see the black trace under the pink aqua color, so follow it. Color with dark green the goose outline like you did previously with dark blue. Use white to give a shiny effect on the goo. When you finish coloring, you can proceed to fill gaps and trace over the edges with black. Before coloring your eyes completely with black, you can add red under your eyes to create a rotting flesh effect. Trace over the rest with black and add wrinkles and other details to finish the work. Fill with black the outer part of the drawing and the look is complete. Make sure you filled the hairline as well. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.